Very good morning, students. Students, today we will be heading towards Unit 18, that is Simple Past Tense. Today I'll start the chapter Simple Past Tense. In this unit, students will revise simple past tense and learn to frame negative and interrogative sentences in simple past tense. Children, in this unit, in this chapter, you will learn to frame negative and interrogative sentences. Negative sentences and interrogative sentences आप frame करना सीखोगे and we'll deal with simple past tense. Okay, before I start simple past tense, now let us know that what is tense. What is tense होता क्या है? It indicates the time when an action or event occurs. टेंस टाइम बताता है कि कब वो एक्शन या इवेंट हुआ है या हो रहा है या होने वाला है. Tense is divided into three parts. First is present tense, second is past tense, and the third is future tense. I think you must be aware of all this. और इन तीनों फॉर्म्स को प्रेजेंट, पास्ट एंड फ्यूचर दे आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू four parts. The first is simple present tense, second is present continuous tense, third is present perfect tense, and the fourth is present perfect continuous tense. ये तो प्रेजेंट का था. इसी तरह से चार फॉर्म है पास्ट का भी और फ्यूचर का भी. पास्ट का है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. एंड इसी तरह से फ्यूचर का भी है. But in this chapter we'll basically focus on simple past tense. हम लोग आज past tense के बारे में पढ़ेंगे and in this we'll focus on simple past tense. अब ये होता क्या है simple past tense? Let us see. I think you are students, you are already familiar with the use of simple past tense. आपने अपने previous class में भी इसे पढ़ा है. We use the simple past tense to express actions which took place in the past. So children, simple past tense is used to express an action that took place in the past. हम लोग simple past tense तब यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें कोई वैसा एक्शन के बारे में बात करना होता है या वैसे एक्शन के बारे में बताना होता है जो ऑलरेडी पास्ट में हो चुका है, जो हम लोग ऑलरेडी उसको परफॉर्म कर चुके हैं पास्ट में. उस एक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए वी यूज़ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. मीन्स द सेंटेंस or the action that took place in the past. Now, read these sentences carefully. यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं and some of the words are underlined. Please look carefully. See carefully. Deepti and Chaitali went to Dubai. In this sentence, the word went is underlined. Went को underline किया गया है. Why it is underlined? Because it is the past form of the verb go. ऐसा नहीं कहा है दीप्ति एंड चैताली गो टू दुबई. गो तो हो जाएगा आपका प्रेजेंट, बट गो का पास्ट फॉर्म होता है वेंट. दैट इज वाई वेंट इज अंडरलाइंड. दे सॉ मेनी अमेजिंग प्लेसेस. दे सॉ, द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ सी इज सॉ. दे सॉ मेनी अमेजिंग प्लेसेस. They purchased gifts for their friends. They did not stay there for long. They did not like the food served there. Did they tell you about their experience? Did Deepti give you any souvenir from Dubai? So in these sentences, children, the words are underlined, and the words that are underlined that they represent simple past tense. We use past form of verb in assertive sentences. हम लोग assertive sentences में past form of the verb use करते हैं, past form of verb को use करते हैं. We use did not and root form of verb in negative sentences में. अगर जो भी हम लोग negative sentences frame करते हैं, we always use did not. हमें बस did not use करना है और root form of the verb use करना है. Now what is this root form of the verb? For example, let me explain this with an example. See. See is a word SEE and the past tense of see is saw. तो जो मेन वर्ड होता है, जो वर्ड होता है, जो वर्ब होता है, जिसको हम लोग चेंज करते हैं, सॉ को हम लोगों ने, सी को हम लोगों ने चेंज किया सॉ में. तो ये रूट वर्ड जो होता है सी, दिस इज द रूट वर्ड जिसके डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स हम लोग फ्रेम करते हैं. That refers to the root word. हाँ, तो whenever we are framing any negative sentences we use did not and root form. वहाँ पे हम लोग past tense use नहीं करते हैं. Third point, we use did before subject and then root form of the verb in interrogative sentences. Now, what are interrogative sentences? The sentences, the any whenever we frame any question, that refers to interrogative sentences. Means questions. आप लोगों ने already पढ़ा था kinds of sentences में. Interrogative sentences. Now, we add d or ed to most of the verbs to change their form. Children, in order to change the form of the verb to past tense, we generally add d or ed. For example, close, closed, ask, asked, live, lived, look, looked. So we have added ed to change their form. Now, we double the last letter and add ed to many words with single syllable to change their form. हम लोग कुछ वर्ड्स को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसमें हम लोग ed ऐड करते हैं, बट हम लोग उसका लास्ट वर्ड जो कॉन्सोनेंट होता है उसको हम लोग डबल कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ग्रैब, ग्रैब्ड, रब, रब्ड, स्लैम, स्लैम्ड, पिन, पिन्ड. Now, we remove y and add ied in many words to change their form. कुछ वर्ड्स को पास्ट टेंस बनाने के लिए we remove y and we add ied. For example, cry will change into cried, try, tried, worry, worried, fry, fried, carry, carried, hurry, hurried. Now, some words don't follow any such rule. कुछ ऐसे words होते हैं जो कोई भी rule follow नहीं करते हैं, ना ied का, ना ed का. There are certain exceptions. कुछ exceptions होते हैं. For example, come, the past tense of come will be came. Here ed is not added nor ied is added. तो ये एक exception case है. Second, go. Go will convert into went. It is a completely different word. Go, went. Eat, ate. Keep, kept. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. Bring, brought. Teach, taught. इस तरह से there are several words which do not follow any rule. Now, children, there are some words that don't change their forms in any tense. कुछ ऐसे words होते हैं जो अपने फॉर्म को चेंज नहीं करते हैं. मतलब जो वर्ड है, जो रूट वर्ड है, वही पास्ट टेंस में भी रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कट, कट प्रेजेंट में भी कट होता है और पास्ट में भी कट होता है. पुट, पुट, हर्ट, हर्ट, हिट, हिट, रीड, रेड. रीड को हम लोग रीड के पास्ट टेंस को हम लोग रेड प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. वी प्रोनाउंस इट एज रेड बट इट इज रिटन एज READ. स्प्रेड, स्प्रेड, शट, शट, सेट, सेट. इनके पास्ट टेंस वही रहते हैं, चेंज नहीं होते हैं. इसमें कुछ भी वी डू नॉट डू एनी एडिशन ऑफ वर्ड्स. सो आई होप दिस वॉज क्लियर टू यू. On the basis of the explanation, I think you can solve the exercises. First one, read the story and complete it by filling the blanks with past form of given verbs. Here is a story and you have to complete the story by adding the past tense of the given verb. Some of the verbs are given and you have to write the past tense of those verbs. For example, Jack and John dash go to a forest. So what will be the past tense of go? It will be went. There they dash a den. See. So past of see will be saw. John tried to enter the den but Jack dash stop him. Try, it will be tried, and stop will be stopped. They dash run away when they dash hear the roar of a lion. Run, the past of run will be ran and the past tense of hear will be heard. HEARD. The past of hear is heard. Both of them climb a tree. Climb will change into climbed. CLIMBED, climbed. John dash be careless so he dash fall from the tree. Now children, please listen carefully. the past tense of be का past tense was होता है. What will be the past tense of be? It will be was. And if we are talking about present tense, it will be is. Be का past tense was होता है and present tense is. John was careless, so he dashed from the tree. Fall का fell, F-E-L-L, fell from the tree. Just then a fox dashed there. Came there, C-A-M-E, came. Jack dashed his presence of mind and dashed an audio of lions roar in his cell phone. Jack used used his presence of mind and played an audio of lions roar in his cell phone. The fox dash become afraid and dash run away. The fox became afraid and ran away. Jack dashed John's life. Jack saved John's life. So it is a very simple exercise. You just have to change the verb into past tense. Now next, question number 2. Rewrite the sentences changing the verb into simple past tense. So here some sentences are given, 10 sentences are given, and you have to change the verb into simple past tense and you have to rewrite the sentence. First one, the guard hears a strange noise. Children, before solving this exercise, you must be aware of verb. आपको verb के बारे में पता होना चाहिए कि sentence में verb कहाँ है. I hope you know what is verb. Doing word or action word refers to verb. कोई भी काम हम लोग कर रहे हैं, whatever action we are performing or doing, that refers to verb. For example, singing, dancing, to sing, dance, study, read, anything, hear, sleep, anything. जो भी action हम perform कर रहे हैं, that refers to verb. And if you can identify the verb, you will be able to solve this exercise. First one, the guard hears a strange voice. So what is the verb in the sentence? Hears. So hears will change into heard. The past tense of hear is heard. So the guard heard a strange noise. Second, the vase falls off the table and breaks into pieces. Children, please see the sentence carefully. It is possible that in a sentence more than one word is verb, and you have to change both the verbs into simple past tense. The vase falls off. What will be the past tense of falls? It will be falled. The vase fell off the table and broke into pieces. The past of break will be broke. The judges appreciate the theme song presented by us. The judges appreciated the theme song presented by us. See, present is already in past tense, presented. Fourth, I discard my old clothes. I discarded my old clothes. Discard means to throw. Reject कर देना, throw कर देना. Fifth, Astha goes to Yamuna Sports Complex for swimming. So here, goes is the verb. So goes will change into went. Astha went to Yamuna Sports Complex for swimming. Sixth, they find many beautiful shells at the seashore. They found many beautiful shells at the seashore. Seventh, the baby cries loudly. The baby cried. Cries will change into cried. Cried loudly. Eighth, we know the right answers. We knew. Know will change into knew. K-N-E-W. Knew the right answers. Children read storybooks in free period. Children read storybooks in free period. See, I told you that the past tense of read is read, but the spelling is same. It is pronounced as read. 10th, you close the door. Here close is the verb, so it will change into closed. You closed the door. So I hope question number 1 and question number 2 are clear to you. So today till here we will discuss, and in the next class we'll proceed to question number 3. We'll proceed with question number 3 and 4. Thank you.